Hey guys, welcome to Fire Foods. Do you love pancakes, but you don't like the calories that comes with it? Well, keep watching because I'm going to show you a healthy and easy way to make low-calorie vegan protein chocolate pancakes that will satisfy your cravings. Alright, let's make some fire food. First, in a blender, you'll need about 3/4 of a cup of blended oats, 1 ripe banana, 1/3 cup of vegan chocolate protein shake, or you can replace it with egg whites for non-vegan option, 1/3 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar-free chocolate syrup, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and finally 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. Now blend everything together to make the pancake batter. In a pan on medium heat with some oil, add the pancake batter. Flip the pancake when it starts to bubble in the middle and let it cook on the other side for about 20 seconds and it's ready to be served. To serve the pancakes, I like to add some toppings. I will add some strawberries, some blueberries, and sugar-free syrup. And to top it off, add some walnuts and enjoy. If you're on a diet or trying to eat healthy, make sure to try this recipe and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Alright, that's the end of the video guys. Share this recipe with your friends and family and let me know in the comments below what other recipes you want to see next. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe and click the bell to get notified for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.